StrucLock turns the waste that's filling up our oceans, clogging up our landfills, poisoning our bodies, and killing our wildlife into this. This is part of a complete structural block wall system, which is made mostly from waste. If the average house uses 4.5 tonnes of recycled plastic and 2 tonnes of textile waste, let's consider what would happen if we scale this up. The UN Habitat has said that we need 96,000 affordable houses a day. That demand is enough to wipe out 2 global waste problems and make a big dent in the affordable housing issues. This is kind of pointless, us just doing it here in Liverpool of the UK, because it's a global problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to put together the whole bundle. We're going to get the machinery, the factories, the lessons learned, the know-how, and work with government so that they will recognise this as a recognised building solution. Then we're going to take that bundle and we're going to make it available to other communities so that those communities have now built in their own resilience, using their local people to turn local waste into local buildings. The benefits of this system is that there's less reliance on water because there's no water used in the manufacturing of polymers. There's less reliance on imports. There's less reliance on deforestation, drilling and mining. Building in local resilience. Climate change. Is your community actually climate ready? What if there's 2 or 3 years of droughts? You've got no more water. Can you now produce the concrete that you need? What if you're in a place which relies on wood and trees and there's wildfires around you? Are you going to have the resources to rebuild after an event like that? StrucLock is made from polymers. It uses small amounts of energy compared to other things like concrete or steel. So it reduces CO2 emissions. It can be using green energy, solar and wind power. It gives a community climate readiness so that either during an event or after an event, taking care of its own communities, being resilient, and you're not having to dig into Mother Nature's resources. We're using our waste to produce those buildings. In the comments, there is a link to one of our previous videos, which will show you all about the construction benefits and how the block's put together. We're going to start spreading the word, and yeah, you can help. You could even just by sharing this video. The goal is to try to help spread this solution globally, because together I think we can fix this. Together I think we can actually make the change that's needed.